Welcome to Business English Practice, a business meeting simulation. Alex, the project manager, leads a regular online team meeting with two members, Ben and Chloe. They will review project progress, discuss resources, and confirm action items. Listen to how they open the meeting, set the agenda, discuss issues, and close the meeting.
All right, looks like everyone is here. Let's get the ball rolling. First, thank you all for making time today. Since we have a tight schedule, let's dive right in.
Hi, Alex. Sorry to interrupt, but Chloe just messaged me. She's having some technical difficulties with her mic and will join in a minute.
Thanks for the heads up, Ben. We'll skip her section for now. Before we begin, does anyone have any urgent updates not on the agenda?
Hi, everyone. Sorry I'm late. I had some connection issues.
No worries, Chloe. Glad you could make it. Now that everyone is here, let's move on. The main objective of today's meeting is to review our project progress and address any bottlenecks. As you can see from the shared screen, our agenda covers three main points. First, the quarterly progress update. Second, the budget review. And finally, the upcoming product launch.
Alex, if I could just jump in here, I think we should also briefly touch upon the client feedback we received this morning.
Good point, Chloe. Let's pencil that in right before the wrap-up. If there are no objections, let's move to the first item. Ben, could you give us a quick update on the system migration? How are things looking?
Sure. For the most part, everything is on track. We've completed the data mapping phase, however, we've run into a slight hitch with the server latency. We might need extra resources to look into it.
I see. What's your take on this, Chloe? Do we have available capacity in your team?
From my perspective, we could pivot one of our engineers to assist Ben, but that might push back our testing timeline by a few days.
Let's not risk the timeline. Let's circle back to this after I check the overall resource allocation. For now, Ben, please keep monitoring it. Chloe, the floor is yours for the marketing metrics.
Thank you, Alex. To give you the lowdown on the campaign, click-through rates are up by 15% compared to last week.
Great results, Chloe. Thanks for the detailed breakdown. We're running a bit short on time, so let's summarize the action items. Ben, you will continue to monitor the latency issue and document the findings. Chloe, you'll send over the client feedback summary by EOD, and I will follow up on the resource allocation. Does that cover everything?
Yes, that sounds right.
All good from my side.
Perfect. If there are no other comments or questions, I think we can wrap things up here.
Thanks, Alex.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all for your contributions. Our next scheduled meeting will be next Tuesday at the same time. Have a productive rest of the week. Bye.
Key phrase number 1. Let's get the ball rolling. This is a common business idiom for starting a meeting or a project. It sounds more professional than simply saying, let's start. Key phrase number 2. Let's dive right in. Use this phrase to move smoothly from small talk to the main topic of the meeting. Key phrase number 3. If I could just jump in here. This is a polite way to interrupt an ongoing conversation and share your opinion. Key phrase number 4. Let's circle back to this. Use it to set a topic aside and return to it later, especially when the discussion goes off track or time is running short. Key phrase number 5. Wrap things up. This means to finish or conclude, and it is often used near the end of a meeting. That's all for today's business meeting simulation. Try using these phrases in your next meeting. Thank you for watching.